This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an example of an if-then activity that you can do within Google Sheets. This might be fun to have the kids make these and try them with their friends, or you as the teacher could make one and set it up for kids to work on. And really, you can ask any type of question here. It just has to have a definitive answer. The answer has to be specific. It cannot be open-ended. So notice I have my question here. I was specific here, one-word answer. Does not have to be one word. It can be multiple words or an expression if you wanted an expression in there. It just has to be very clear with how you would want the kids to type it or write it. Type it in here. So notice this says try again because there's no answer. Once I enter the right answer, my try again turns into nice work. And if I put the right answer here, notice it turns into getting googly. And if you have a tech-savvy student and you don't want them knowing the answers and they can see the formula up here, then this may not be an activity you want to use for assessment, but notice the answer sits here. So I'm going to show you how to make this. On this side, I write my problem. What is 2 plus 5? And then maybe here I'll ask another question. Who is the yellow bird on Sesame Street? Notice I don't have answers yet. You don't need to do anything with this column. And here is where I need to put in my answer key, which you only have to do once, and I'll show you that. So here you will put, very important to write it in this order, equals if in capitals, open parenthesis, B2. Why B2? Because that's this cell. See how it highlights it? Equals 7, because 7 is the answer. Now I'm going to write comma, and what I want it to say if they get it right. Nice job. Quotations, comma, and what I want them to say if they get it wrong. Quotations, try again. Quotations, close parenthesis. Now, because I don't have an answer in the B2, it's going to say try again, because that's what I put as my wrong answer. Now, I don't have to write this formula in every time. I'm going to just take this little blue corner and drag it down. And now it formulated it all for me. The only thing I need to do is change what the answer would be here. So the answer for who is the yellow bird is not 7, it's Big Bird. So because it's words and not numbers, I have to put words in quotations. So I'm going to say Big Bird, quotation. And the quotation does go before the comma. Notice it says try again. And now I'm going to check my work. Big Bird. Nice job. So if you are going to be using capital letters, you may want to say to the students they'll need to use capital letters if it's a proper noun. And then here, if I put 7, nice job. And now I can enter in any questions I want here. And on this side, I just need to change my answer key that matches the cell. And that's one activity you could do with the kids. Maybe fun. Have fun.